Hello everyone, welcome again to other tutorial on solving systems of equations using substitution, and I will be giving you stream examples which are real life examples done by substitution. So let's focus on the first question. The first question, if we read it, it will be talking about the baseball, so about sports. So now we are connecting math to sports. So the New York Yankees and the Cincinnati Reds are together having or winning a total of 32 World Series. So let me highlight this information by yellow. Another given to you is that the Yankees had won 5.4 times as many as the Reds. So all of these are given to you. Now, what is the unknown? What do you need to find? How many World Series had each team won? So I will be planning and brainstorming with you. So if we choose variable x and variable y, variable x will be showing the prizes or the competitions or the World Series that first of all the New York Yankees won. So I will be showing x for the World Series that in New York Yankees won. So this is for x. And now what about y? This is the World Series that which team? The Cincinnati Reds. Cincinnati Reds won. So this will be y. So let's brainstorm together. So we know by now that we will be needing, because we are having two variables, so you need two equations, and since it is two equations, that means you need to solve system of equations. Let's highlight the important words. Together, a total. Both of these words will be meaning the sum, which is addition. The word times means multiplication. So let's now build our equations. So both of them will be having a total of 32. Then he told you the Yankees, which is x, won 5.4 times as many as the Reds, which is y. And now you are having x alone. It is easy to use the substitution method to put it in equation 1 and solve. So put 2 in 1 and solve. So 5.4y plus y equals 32. After simplification and solving the equation, you will be finding y to be 5. Now we need to substitute to find x. So x is equal 5.4 multiplied by y, and you will be having it 27. With this, we found each team how many World Series they won. So y will be referring to the Cincinnati Reds, and X will be referring to the New York Reds. So this is how many World Series they won. Now, how can we check? You have system of equations and you need to check each of them. So first you need to add your answers. 5 plus 27, is it going to be equal to 32? Yes, it is equal. Done. Now let's see the other. Is it going to be satisfied or not? So we are having X as 27. Is it equal to 5.4 multiplied by 5? So after you check, yes, it will be equal. That means it is a solution for the system, and yes, you are having a 27 and 5. And the 27, as I said, will be referring to the New York, and the Y here will be referring to the Reds team. If you would like to check further, you can graph it and you will be getting the same solution. Now, let's go to the second real world problem. We are having a party here and we are having two guests, Hamda and Huriya. They would like to make a dinner party for their friends. So I'm starting to highlighting the given. Hamda invited 5 fewer than Huriya, and pay attention to this sentence. Then he is telling you that together both of them they invited a total of 47 guests. So these are all the given for you. You are having a girl called Hamda and Huriya, and both of them invited a known number of guests. We don't know them. So what do I need to find here? How many guests did each girl invite? So let me start by putting some variables. So I'm having two unknowns, X and Y. X will be the guests which Hamda invited. And Y will be the guests for Huriya. Now let's think of this. Hamda invited 5 fewer than. First of all, we are having two variables. That means we will be solving system of equation. In two variables, X and Y. Now, we are having the word 5 fewer than. So 5 fewer than, and Hamda will be representing the guests of Hamda, which is X. So X is fewer than. Huriya's guest will be Y. So focus on the word fewer than. It is all about flipping word. So directly you know that you have to flip. So X will be for you Y minus 5. And pay attention to this. Now the word together means total, means sum. That means it is a total of 47. So let's solve it now together. X plus Y, both of them invited total of 47 guests. And now we are having the guests of Hamda is 5 fewer than the guests of Huriya, and I have explained this before. Now I can plug the X above. So it will be y minus 5 plus y equal 47. By the substitution method, 2y, and move the 5 to the other side, it will be 52. Now, if you solve for this equation, you will be having y to be 26 guests. And am I done? No, I need to find x. So after substituting, you are having 26 minus 5 is equal to 21 guests. So let's now write your solution here. 21 and 26. 21 will be referral to the guests by Hamda, invited by Hamda, and the 26 the guests that were invited by Huriya. Now how can we check? We need to check both of the equations. So add 21 plus 26. Is it equal to 47 or not? So 47 is equal to 47, and that's correct. Now let's go to the other. I have value of x, 21. I need to check whether it is equal to 26 minus 5. So after checking, yes, it will be equal. Another way to check is that you can graph it and you will be having the same solution. At the end, I would like you to practice more. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment. Also, you can write your solutions in the comment. Thank you so much and wait for more videos.